Hello, in this video I want to show you how to link your account in Honkai Star Rail. To do this, let's click on the top left corner of our screen. Now go to the settings by clicking on the gear icon. Here we need to find user center and you should find a link account. Select that and now enter the email address you want to link the account to, and you should receive the verification code on that email address. Enter it right here and click on send. This should link your account with a different email address, I guess. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.